But yeah, this is it's kind of this video kind of gonna be all over the place. I'm really just trying to get myself back into vlogging, so y'all just bear with me as I, you know, get back into entertaining. So I'm just gonna do some random stuff today. I just finished with that client. Since school back in, I got probably about two to 3 days within a week that I can actually vlog right now, and that's because of how I set up my schedule. Mainly during the weekend is when I'm more busier now, so I can actually vlog and edit while I got this time. You know, I be so bored, I be like, dang, what I'm gonna do? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get back to vlogging. You feel me? So yeah, so you know, I'm just talking right now, but in the meantime, I'm finna clean up because I just got done doing this hair. I gotta clean up my area, my station. I got my little station set up in my house. And yeah, the last time y'all talked to me, I wasn't even in this house. I was in the apartment. Yeah. Yeah, I was in my apartment, and yeah, I was in my other apartment too, because every year after I had to move. Yeah, it was a whole bunch of, I may have a story this time or whatever. I may have to do a story time about that. Cause that's real. Y'all really didn't know what was going on. Like one video I had, my apartment was empty. And then another video, I'm in another apartment, and now I'm in a house. So hey, you know, God is good. But yeah, so that's what it's gonna be about today. It's just gonna be kind of random. I may end up going to pop up with my mama. I used to vlog and mess with her, and you know, she was telling me you need to get back to vlogging. So I may just pop up on her and we may try some stuff today. I was motivated. Look, I be looking at YouTube videos a lot, so I kind of got motivated looking at that their vlogs, and I'm like, and then my client came in and was like, you don't do no videos, and I was like, you like the 10th person that told me this. So I said, let me go ahead and get back on doing my videos or whatever. So yeah, I'm just rambling. But yeah, let's get that nobody sit in, right? I don't know if it's blurry or not, but I hope not. Let's see. Hope not. Hope y'all can see everything. So right now I'm finna go pick up Angie. I don't know if y'all used to watch the previous vlogs, but Angie is my sister Tiana. It's her husband mother, but she be hanging out with us. So I'm finna go pick her up, then I'm finna go pick up my mama. Well, I'm finna go hang with my mama. Nigga, is that a lizard? And I think I wanna see if I get this lizard. Hold on. Let me see something, cause this is crazy. Wait. Ooh. Ew. Hey, I used to be the one to pick up lizards when I was a kid, but nah, not no more. Not no more, yeah. It look, hey, and it looks smaller than what it look like right now. But yeah. So we finna go hang out at my mom's house, and I think since I'm getting back on my channel, I want to do a little something. I think I'm gonna get some chips and try them wrap snacks. I may do that for this video, but yeah, we'll see once I get to the store. Oh Jesus! Oh, I ain't never seen. Oh, that mother look like he mixed with stuff. Oh Jesus! Let me see if I get him. He look like he just mixed with other stuff. Let's see. His tail is blue, y'all. The tail is like blue. Ooh, I would get out and show it, but nah. Nah, I ain't really it. Alright, just got over here to Angie Lou house. Waiting on her, finna wait on her. Can be in the car. I swear, every time I end up in a new location, it's like, let me change that. So it's like it just get, there we go. This is a little better, I guess. The sun is like literally like right here. But yeah, we pretty much just finna chill. Like yesterday, I came to pick her up. We just sat at my mom's house and hung out, played cards or whatever. And you know, had a little drink, you know, a little bit. So that's pretty much what we're doing today. I just wanted to add a little twist to it since I done got back to vlogging. So when I leave here, I'm gonna stop at this gas station, grab these bags. I don't know if I want to do the hot ones because I don't eat hot food. My mama don't eat hot food. I don't think Angie eat hot food. So I don't want to get these hot chips to try them, and now one of us eat hot chip.
I hope that thing cold.
Huh?
I hope. What the? What's up, cutie bee?
What's up with you?
Oh no!
I said, look at Shakespeare mama. Look at Shakespeare mama. I said I'm gonna try to get back on my vlogging. Vlogging a little bit.
Oh, okay.
But I said I wanted to do a review on these chips that they got out.
Oh no!
Wrap snack.
No,
it ain't. No.
I see your brother-in-law.
What you was eating? What's on the side of your mouth? Other side.
Pizza.
Oh.
It be good stuff.
What you mean, my brother?
You had to follow him.
Oh, you talk? Nah, not that one.
What?
He ate the hot chip.
Oh.
I ain't talking about that one. I'm
Girl,
talking about,
look.
Hold on. I'm talking about they regular chips. They regular chips. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna eat them too. All right, y'all. So I went to the store and I got these. These the chips I was talking about. So I got about. I think I got about 8 bags. So all of us gonna try these chips, and we just gonna give our honest opinion on these wrap snacks. I ain't had no wrap snacks since probably in high school, something like that. So I just want to try it. But this is the bag on right here. Yeah. So we gonna give our opinion on it, and it might be something they don't want to try, but
we ain't trying no how.
yeah, It might be something I want to try. But
Hey, Joanne, she gonna
Know what
come
I'm saying?
We got something they might don't want to try. No, we ain't gonna try the hot one.
it might be something I want to try because of the way, you know what I'm saying? The way the chip may taste, the hotness of it, or whatever, I don't know. So, you know, we just gonna
The
see how
barbecue
it
tastes
go.
real like barbecue to me. It just, you know, that sauce. You know, I like that extra sauce.
Alright, so that one is called Rose Cheddar.
Cheddar.
This the bag again. This the bag right here. Rose.
Look at your body guard, girl.
Ooh wee. Ooh wee. That was it. Alright, it's Rose Cheddar. Move, get away from that. We ain't gonna try that minute, we just gonna
Girl, you're gonna go flat. Put that in the freezer.
I'm gonna roll the bag up.
No, the way you can open that bag, let me see what kind of flavor. What
Everybody
kind
get
of?
one.
Ooh, these look hot.
It say cheddar.
Oh, it say cheddar.
Yeah. It just say cheddar.
This Rick Ross.
Yeah, that's Rick Ross chip. We gonna eat at the same
Going
time.
to be rich forever.
I try to get his
Oh, I eat one of these, I'll be rich forever.
look, I try to record his hive. Got down recording his house so long. Got down. Record.
Ready?
Ready, go.
That ain't bad.
It tastes like,
Oh, now we be going to chew. It tastes like barbecue on it. No.
It tastes like it one tastes like barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
And then I kind of took the cheese.
I like that
at the
kind.
end.
I could have got them kind of stuff barbecue had got down there in Florida. I mean, Atlanta.
yeah, that tastes like barbecue.
Mm-hmm. That ain't bad.
All right, you gonna
Got it on the next one. Butter. Ooh, that says buttermilk.
Ooh, I just got
Ranch.
shot at you. All right, this one says buttermilk ranch. Ooh wee, wavy.
Okay.
Ooh wee.
Who is that one there?
Oh, that's little dirt.
That's Little Dirt.
little dirt chips.
Little Dirt. Right there.
They are rappers.
Okay.
don't know nothing about you, rapper girl.
Oh, I know a
bet
little
you
bit.
that. I bet you that. Oh, that says butter ranch. Oh, that's probably good.
Oh, she
Butter
got little
ranch.
chip.
Well, I
Oh,
want
what
to
you
check
got?
Ready? Now you alright?
What's that? That came off something.
Let me make sure the light.
Is that on key or something going to keep the camera?
What?
That
Oh,
I'm glad ain't nothing that
okay. What? Let me see.
That little ball thing right there. Or you, girl, he trying to bite me. He ain't gonna bite
Oh,
you. Get it, Angie.
I don't know what that is. And he showed with a swallow, put it in the mouth too. Probably ought to have it in his mouth.
What is that? Come on, something.
That's my freaking.
Get that scroll down there.
Whoa! This is my earpiece.
Get that scroll. Never do that. Girl, I thought it was a snake or something when you said. Hold it.
Do that thing out so fast.
Cause when you said it. He had picked it up. I don't think he bit it.
You don't do
He
that.
tore that up.
Oh, he was trying to bite
He was
it.
trying to bite it.
Sure was.
Dang. I hope it still worked.
It probably worked, Keto.
They got drunk last night.
He probably been.
Oh, it's been on the floor?
Yeah, since last night.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I had lost it.
Well, he ain't been in here. He been out the door.
Oh, this must have just happened now. Cause I told you.
Yeah,
I
okay,
just,
well,
No, that must just happen because I ain't see that when I put
I
the
can't
safe
only
up.
care about
it's
bread.
been, it's been over there. He must have got it from somewhere else and brought it over here.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Cause I had been lost. I was like, they ain't got no lost. I said it yesterday. I said I done lost my earpiece. And Mom and Siobhan like, you ain't check Mama's house? I said no. I said I don't think it was over there.
Oh, so
Yeah,
he
well,
done
yeah.
got a hold to
Yeah,
it.
he must have
It's
felt
a
like my
good thing
dang
you did call it.
Must have felt like my dang
Your
on
audio was
pocket.
tore it up.
Heck yeah. That's
All
my
right, y'all ready?
Wait a minute, girl. I checked my breast. She said that like something.
She got so scared she threw the chips. Ready? Ready? I eat some more of these. Well, I'm in the bathroom. Ready, set, go. What it taste like? I like that mint too. I like that dang on mint.
And I really think it's spicy.
It ain't
Spicy?
spicy.
I just think because I had that gum in my mouth.
I can't really taste it. Like I taste
It tastes
It
like,
look like the ranch. I can taste a little
I
like
taste a
ranch.
little ranch and
It's
it's
like butter.
It got a sweet taste.
I
Yeah.
taste more of the buttermilk than ranch.
Mm,
But I really wanted to taste the ranch though. But I
Yeah,
don't take-
but
it make you want
they got a sweet taste.
I taste the ranch.
You do?
It don't taste like no
that-
buttermilk ranch. They got
I
like
think
a
I taste
sweetness to
buttermilk
it.
before I tasted the ranch. The ranch kind of like.
I taste the ranch because you
It's good,
scared
though.
me to do it.
Now what the hell is that?
If they hot, you leave that to up for you, for yourself.
This
Okay.
is money bag yo chips.
Who that buy?
Ranch wrap snacks. Money bag yo hill wrapper. This dill pickle jalapeno. But I don't
Oh,
think
yeah, jalapeno.
I'm trying first.
Yeah.
I don't think it's spicy though, cause we eat jalapeno Cheetos.
Oh.
Well, the flavor of
They ain't got
Yeah,
no
you
look,
eat 'em.
look, they got a little one there for.
yeah, break one. Yeah, just break one.
Go ahead and tell me what they
Well,
got.
these ain't hot.
Just
Jalapeno
say
ain't
it,
hot. Try it.
Try it,
You
Andrew.
showing that.
I'm trying to find me a little
You want
one.
this little?
Yes, ma'am. Got me one.
All right.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Set. They different.
Taste that pickle.
They no pepper, that's a pepper.
Dill pickle.
Pickle.
Oh, you taste the pickle?
I taste the pepper now.
Oh, you taste the pepper.
It ain't that hot, but
It ain't that hot. It's like a little tang.
Yeah, that pickle though.
It's like a sweet pickle.
That's good to eat when you drinking. That you got pickles, and jalapeno. That's what you need to eat right now.
I'm gonna leave all these right here so when we get hungry, we can get back into the bag.
Well, I like this so far.
You like this?
They did. It tastes pretty good.
Now what's
What's
that?
them?
Y'all, we ain't even been rating chips. What you rate these?
They were pretty good right
That's
there.
That's a 10.
1 out of 10. These are 10?
Those barbecue,
Them was
they taste
good.
good.
I think they're like a 7 to me. Cause I think what it
They
was,
good.
I tasted the. Yeah, they was.
They tasted better than all of them right there. Now.
Yeah.
What about the dirt buttermilk?
They was
They
alright.
was alright. About a 6, 5.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with my 7.
I ain't tried them.
What about these, Angie?
Mm-hmm.
I think for me, I tasted the deal and then I tasted the spice kind of.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, they be missing something. These chips missing
Yeah,
something. They missing something. I'm gonna give about a 5.
So they ain't spicy enough.
They not hot.
They ain't hot. You have to keep on eating them trying to get that,
you'll
get that taste.
Jalapeno taste.
Yeah. Cause I had, I had that bubble gum in my
These
mouth
is
too. But I
Snoop
took
Dogg icon. Snoop
A
Dogg
little hotness.
icon chips.
everything hot to me. Seem like
And it's OG barbecue cheddar. We getting a little fancy.
Oh, these barbecue cheddar.
they don't look. Cause he got a he got a
got a rosé.
Yeah. So he gotta have something different.
Rosé cheddar.
Cheddar cheese.
See
Cheddar
this,
barbecue.
see this right here
OG
is
barbecue cheddar.
this here with the look. What's the name? This-
Wave.
Yeah, you know what I was trying to say. Hold on, I want a bigger one than that one. Shoot.
Oh, she be greedy good with that one.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What is that?
I taste.
Takes a little for the barbecue cheddar.
I taste more barbecue than cheddar.
I think I'm still the
I
best.
take barbecue and cheddar.
That's Snoop Dogg, good dog.
He said, make every opportunity count, stay focused, be relentless, and do whatever it takes
Those good now.
to master your craft.
That's Snoop, ain't it?
Snoop Dogg.
Those good. But you can taste more cheddar. I mean, more barbecue than cheddar.
Yeah, you can.
But the chip itself is good.
What you rate them?
They along with this one. Him and Rick Ross run the race.
I give him a 7.
Y'all win with them 7s, honey. 7 lucky number. 7, 7, 7. Is that hold up? What that say first?
Oh, these ain't hot.
Do them
Let me
legs.
see.
You ain't finna get me.
Oh, sweet chill lemon pepper. Oh,
Yeah.
that's hot.
Try nothing first.
I don't think these hot.
Wait till I try that one
I
last.
will try that.
Look, I'll get my bread just again.
Alright.
What's that one?
Romeo Miller, he's been out. I seen his out before everybody. Everybody probably seen these ones. Cause Romeo had his in the store and everybody didn't want no wrap snack.
So what kind?
And then now you seeing boom, 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 boom coming out.
So what's the flavor?
I thought I still the Oreos.
Oh,
This
no,
flavor
no,
is barbecuing with honey.
Ooh,
no, that joint, look, joint like that
I
case.
like honey.
I do too. You don't like nothing in there, do it.
For $2, it don't know.
Then we look, what you
They
came
robbing you.
I said, did you leave this thing in the store?
Oh, these orangey.
I think I had some sauce on it. But don't get there with no sauce on it. I want me
All of them orange.
Okay. You're in the oranges though.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, and I like them to taste the salt.
I taste honey.
No, I
taste
think the
I
honey
taste the honey.
in that barbecue. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty good together.
And there you go.
Now this bag, I think this bag is a.
That go along with these,
Yeah.
that one and the other one.
I think this bag is a 10. Plus, I just like Romeo.
Oh, that's why you sell 10.
That's why I jumped in his face. Cause she like,
Yeah.
I still like these.
That
I like
bag
the other
good.
one still.
That bag.
I
good.
like these though.
That bag pretty good.
What
I'm
that?
trying to move it along because we gonna play cards and hang out and. Okay, so this is little baby chips.
Baby chips.
Little baby.
Oh.
Little baby to wrap them. And the flavor is. Here's how long it at now, but that's how you look. Cheddar cheese and sour cream.
No,
I don't know.
probably
These might be
good.
these might be the one that hit and hit.
I don't know, cause all of them ain't really hitting, but they okay.
It's something missing out of all of them.
Yeah.
Dang, don't it?
Yeah.
That's what's great about them regular barbecue.
I think it's the salt. Cause it's not really salty. And you know, salt enhance the flavor.
So
They
You know
just
what?
the
And they
salt.
do.
But that is good too. Cause you don't need salt.
all about eating them chips.
I'm gonna be hungry now.
Okay, they start to taste okay now. Y'all move too slow.
I one day I'm hungry, you know.
You say you make it
Hold
hard
on.
to eat
Wait a
now.
minute, you ready? Ready, set, go.
It tasted one way, then it hit a flip on me.
What kind it is?
Cheddar cheese and sour cream. I
I
tasted
taste
sour
the
cream.
I taste the sour cream.
They got a sweet taste.
I'm missing it. You all right?
It's-
It's
It's got a
missing.
little,
It is
it's got a
a
little
sweet
ting to it too. When I feel it in my throat. Some
Something missing out of all of them for real.
salt. I'm telling you, let me see the sodium is on
Girl,
there.
let me go get my sea salt. I put some.
That's
They
all
all got a
70
they all got a sweet
grams.
taste. Like all of them got a sweet like a sweet flavor.
How many more we
They
got?
don't have no cholesterol in them.
Back to the
What's that?
They high in potassium.
That's hot.
They high in potassium.
So they didn't have the regular barbecue. The other
330
Let's not go
milligrams.
to what's the name?
Let me see what he said on that.
He had the
That's high
they had the
potassium.
barbecue and everything.
No matter what you are going through in life, remember family is everything. Stay
was
solid,
3.5.
stay woke, and take advantage of every opportunity that is provided to you because like they say, in life nothing lasts forever.
Oh, so I'm saying something.
Yeah, some of them say different stuff.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if he said something. Here says, my motivation is to level up and be my best self, no matter the circumstances. My hustle has given me a winning mindset, making the impossible always seems possible.
Oh, who said that?
Money bag, yo. Money bag, yo said that.
I know you said it too.
The green bag. That was he said. Okay, Ricky Rose. Rose, we down to our last couple of bags. This one is sweet chili lemon pepper. He done remix his.
We what?
He want some lemon pepper wings or something.
Oh, that's the last one.
No, we got one more bag.
What's the other
The
bag?
goal is to be rich forever. It's gonna be rich off this bad, like Mama said.
Okay.
Your
smell didn't look right when you did
I
that.
don't know what it smells like.
Oh.
I don't know. What
Damn,
is,
this thing look red.
all of them look red.
Ooh, that smell hot.
Look, girl. I'm trying to find a small one now.
That's that chili.
I don't want to sniff no chili.
I just did. Got it.
Ooh, Lord, I got a real
Oh,
one.
you gotta eat it.
I ain't know that red. Okay.
They might not be
I don't
spicy.
think they're gonna be. I think
I'm
gonna be more
gonna bite this one.
I think they're gonna be more lemon pepper. You
I'm
gotta
gonna
chew
be
it
mine.
fast. Put it in chew it fast. Ready, set, go. Lemon pepper. Like I said. Feel like a cookie. Feel like a lemon
Girl,
cookie.
you better go put that thing in your mouth.
It ain't hot.
Well, you said that
It's just
lemon.
like a lemon cookie.
Lemon, you right. This thing, it got a little spice to it, but that lemon. It
How
got,
them lemon cookies be at
That
home?
one full of lemon.
Yeah, it's full. It ain't lemon pepper. It's lemon. It's
Girl, hurry up with that hood. Hurry up. Oh my God. That boy like calling my name.
You taste that chili too.
That's
Yeah.
more, that's more bland.
But you taste that.
It's not spicy though.
It's that more lemon than me though.
Yeah. What y'all
Yeah.
rate that? I'm gonna rate that up. I don't know. I don't like them. That's 2.
That's Ross.
That's about number 2. So this money bag,
It's all right.
Something might be spicy because my nose about to blow.
That's good when you're drinking though, cause it got that
Yeah.
little sweet heat to it.
So this one's called Heat versus Hot. I seen people.
Oh, hell no.
I know, but I seen people eat this and they said it ain't even hot. They
Okay.
were like, they ain't rated good because they
Well,
said
y'all
it wasn't hot.
just
I don't eat hot chips either, but people
I don't
ain't,
either.
they didn't rate it good because they said it wasn't hot.
Something hot, my mouth hot.
It's all you just ate. The
It
sweet
ain't
chili.
nothing hot to me. My mouth ain't
That
breaking. I don't
one
even
got a
eat it.
more look like a little kick to it. It's a small kick to
Now
it.
this like it got seasoning. You see the seasoning?
Ooh. Yeah, come on here. I know run.
Oh, we about to throw it back.
You ready?
Ready,
Set,
set,
go.
go.
That shit out of here. Oh hell no, Kitty about to cry.
It ain't hot.
Yeah, it is. Look at your eyes.
And that you ain't cold.
Oh, I'm glad they get there.
Like it slowly get hot.
That what y'all get.
That's it. Put the camera
Like
on,
it
girl.
started, like it started getting
Yeah,
slow.
so drink, girl. Girl.
It slowly like make my throat hurt. I don't get hot. You talking about the heat versus hot? That's hot.
Hold it, y'all.
I think that drink gonna make it hotter though.
Girl, I don't know what about your
Take
drink
your
gonna
eyes
do.
off, girl.
You want your girl? I damn know, right?
I don't eat hot food. She don't eat hot food.
Ooh, girl.
That they told me I want that hot. It is hot now.
Huh?
Put it in that
Okay.
bag and drop it.
I know, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that bag right there was on the hot side.
Ooh, Joe, I should have like you on that one.
Open the can.
Take my damn can. I ain't got no fingernails.
I can't be over
Damn.
Everybody's struggling.
Your can ain't cold than my can.
My can cold. I had it in the fridge.
About that, y'all talking.
You done been way to end the house. Kitty came and opened the damn thing.
Where my keys at?
Welcome to Heat and Hot. Hot and Heat, hot and something.
You gotta lose your keys.
Lord.
Ooh, Lord forgive us, but ooh, that. Good, I told you that, though. I said wait till the end for that move.
Other
Maybe
keys.
that's why you
Other
get me
keys.
on.
Yeah. Ooh. Woo. I got hot with that last one.
Too cold.
All right, y'all. No problem. Whew. Yeah, so look. We tried all these bags
How
right now.
long you been on the keys?
This 20 minutes.
You need
All
30
right.
minutes.
No, I got other videos. That I may end up adding them to it. So these,
Girl, I'm like,
Oh,
keep it
okay.
down here. It's getting hot.
yeah.
Ooh, Jesus.
These all the chips we done tried. I'm gonna give y'all a close up of them. This is a hot. That one hot. That's hot now. That mug right there hot. Talking about they don't know it's hot.
Ooh.
These are all the chips we done tried. So yeah, y'all got our review on them. None of them had salt. Or something was missing out of all of them, but it was all right. They was more sweet than anything. But I ain't gonna say they was nasty. It's missing something. I don't know what it is. It's missing something, but. Yeah, so you gotta taste and review. Y'all go try that on too. I got it from the hood gas station store. That's probably where you'll find them at. I don't know.
Are you serious?
You know where else
Yeah,
y'all get them from, but that's where I got them from. I got it from
Come on. Keep
one
that
of
fan
them low
on.
end Pakistan. You know, they own the store type stores or whatever.
Oh, girl,
But yeah, so you know,
Damn.
got my SpongeBob on.
That damn
You know.
kid was
This is the drip for the day. That's Oreo. You know what I'm saying? Had to throw that in there. But yeah, I may add more to this vlog. I don't know. But yeah, in the meantime,
Say, Nikita's back on the scrub.
we back on the scrub. We back in the drip. We in the mama garage. You know what I'm saying? That's mama right there. And yeah, like I said, y'all probably remember them from 2 years ago when we was doing the video. So we back in this thing.
You don't turn that fan
And
on.
we'll get more back to the vlog. I may add on to it, maybe the end of it. But yeah, y'all comment, subscribe,
Comment, subscribe,
like the video,
and hit that share button.
I know
And
that's
do.
real.
and do. All right, we'll see y'all in the next video.